Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I pray by the mercy of Allah you are all doing amazingly well. In this video I want to show you guys a bit more in depth on how to use our Ramadan tracking template. We can begin by signing the pledge of intention, which I highly recommend you do as it will keep you accountable. You can put down your name here, obviously read what it says, and then you can brainstorm and put down your long-term goals. Just press new and then type in whatever goal you have that perhaps you want to carry outside of Ramadan. For me, it would definitely be eating healthier, and it should be visible all throughout your template. Underneath that, you will find the highlight of the template, which is the database entry that helps you track everything you're doing for the day. Once you go inside, you will be presented with a plethora of different options. You'll have different deeds of the day, which are different for every single entry. You have daily tips and daily wisdom. To begin, you can just press on set up the day. That will fill up the database with different entries that you have set up inside of your button property over here. You can edit these properties by clicking on the cog over here. The different prayer names are inside of the name property. If you wanted to add one more prayer, you can click on here and you can do duplicate below. So you see how Tarawih has duplicated below it? We can do Ishraq or just Ishraq. And then once we go down, if you want to add something to the checklist, it's the same procedure. You can go and do duplicate below. It can be like drink 2 liters of water. If you press on set up the day again, you'll see that Ishraq is over here. Drink 2 liters of water is also here. And this is a synced button, so it'll work for every single day. Over here, you can track the progress of the Quran. You just need to change the juz number with the formula to give you a progress report. So let's say I'm on juz number 5 at the moment, and if you go up, you'll see that you're 17% done with the Quran. Over here, you have today's goals. So these are things that you want to get done for the day. Let's say clean room, and you can actually check that. This will also contribute to your deed score over here, as it says you have progressed 8% for the day. You also have reflections where you can journal, you can do tadabbur, you can write down what you have been thinking for the day and put notes of whatever you want. There's a list of daily du'as that you can follow every day and check them off as you go. The reason this is not inside of the database is because you can remove them and add things to them. Perhaps you don't want so many du'as, or perhaps you want more. You can possibly take this outside of Ramadan as well. Use this as a scratch pad to build yourself a du'a list that resonates with you the best. You have your different views over here that you can click on, and it'll show you each of the dates. On your today view, it'll always show whichever day is relevant to today. If you're from Saudi Arabia, where you have started perhaps a day earlier than everyone else, you can just change the date over here, and it will change what day is relevant to the 17th of March. I wanted to thank Islamic Relief Australia because this entire thing is inspired by them, by the PDF that they sent out in their email, and I thought it would be a good idea for people to have a digital version of it. It's a very well thought out and well designed PDF with a lot of information. If you're someone who doesn't want the digital one and just wants to print this off, I highly recommend doing this because it just looks so good and it's very functional. I have actually attached this PDF file over here that you can download. It's only 3 megabytes. And with that, I would like to end today's video. I hope this helps you out. Please keep us in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.